All right, guys, I'm out here with the Kakuka K16. There it is. It's a gem. And anyway, we're going to do our first trail ride out here with this thing. See if it's worthy for that. Here, you see it's 41 degrees, so it's pretty cold. So we're going to deal with it. Now, you know, this is the place we always come here. Me and Ivy, you know, when we park over here. But look, the outhouse is gone. They took it away. So if I got to take a whiz, you know what's happening, right? It's right. It's in the weeds. All right, guys, we're gonna get going with the Kakuka. It's got voltage. We're at 42.7. I have this seat on there from the one bought actually, because it's a little bit better than the Kakuka seat. So. I'm not expecting to see many people out here. Now the trail looks like it's, okay. I'm just trying to get this stuff worked out here with this throttle and all that. You know, you have to have that button pressed down in there to get the throttle to work. The throttle only. Oh yeah, it's definitely cold out here, guys. It's definitely chilly. Yeah, big time. There's a cat. Oh, he wants a snuggle. Look at him all flopping over and everything. Hi, baby. He wants a snug. Oh, boy. Okay, so we're going. Okay, so the trail right over here isn't as damp as it was back there, so. This is definitely going to be a cold trip for me, let me tell you. Let me put it on my voltage here so I can watch my voltage. So I'm at 39 under load. All right, we're going. We're going. This Kakuka is not exactly a speed demon. I'm gonna have to try to get into these P settings and try to figure out what the story is with this speed, because it should go faster than this. As a matter of fact, I think it did go faster than this when I first got it. And then after a couple of rides, it just started getting slower. And I don't know, you know, what that is, you know, what that's all about. It says I'm doing 15 on the mechanical speedometer, but it says I'm doing 12 on the GPS speedometer. It seems like, I don't know, maybe the GPS ain't coming in good. It doesn't seem like I'm doing 12. It does seem like I'm going like 14 or something. You know, Jetson type speed. So, we'll see. Boy, when it's in the dead of winter like this, you know, it's what, February 15th or something. You can see everything through these, you know, all the leaves are gone on all the trees. You can see everything, you know. I didn't think there would be anybody out here today. Now I want to try to make it at least to the Buena Vista trailhead. We want to at least try to get there. So yeah, the bike seems pretty good for the trails, no problems. just got to see how the battery holds up, that's all. Well, at least that little bit of sun should be able to get through to me here, going up here. Yep, I'm hitting some wet spots here on the trail. Well, I shouldn't have to worry too much about bears because the damn thing should be sleeping, okay? They should be hibernating right now. I shouldn't have to be dealing with them right this minute. But the trail is kind of soggy, so that could hurt the battery performance. So far I've went 1.6 miles. Yeah, you can see down the trail here that it's all soggy and wet, so that's definitely going to slow the bike down, no doubt. I try to get away from that as much as I can, but you know, you don't want to go over the edge here either. $38, $39, 38 volts under throttle. Duncan Hollow Run. I don't know about all that, but we're gonna stop for a sec. So I'm catching a lot of mud here and a lot of stuff on the Kakuka. You can see it down there. There's lots of sand and stuff on the motor. But hey, so we're gonna see if the motor is waterproofed at all. So we'll find out, right? Okay, let's get back at it. Yes, this trail is very soggy. Okay, so I'm at 38 on the voltage. Here's the footprints on that guy. He must be right up the road here. I can see his footprints. Oh man, I'm really running through the mud now. It's really muddy out here. Wow. Let me get over here and dry off. I'm trying to stay on the side over here in more of the drier area. I'm gonna be coming up on the cemetery pretty soon. I might just start heading back. It's just really, you're not gonna be able to judge the performance of the bike in this soggy conditions like this. I mean, it's really wet and soft. So it's really gonna hurt the battery life for one thing. But hey, at least I got out here to drive around on the trail a little bit, see how it holds up. So we'll check this voltage. It says there's a couple bars missing, but that's under throttle. I let off, they'll go back up. So, but you know how that is, right? You know how deceptive those bars are. I'm glad this thing has the voltage thing. So it's a lot better. See, it just went back up there. Okay, so it was under throttle. It was 37 on the voltage. Here we go. Okay. 36 volt, 37, 38, 37, 65%. Okay. So I got enough to make it back for sure, but you know, it would have been nice if we could have, if this conditions weren't so bad, we could have kept going. But hey, you know, another day. Look at it down there. Yeah, it's pretty jacked up. I'll have to clean it and oil it all up when I get back. Oh. Yeah, look at them brakes. Oh, everything's caked with that. And so is my butt, because that fender's not hanging that well. There's just so much of it. It's just so bad out there. So looks like I got some cleaning work to do when I get back. But we're just gonna go back now. We're not gonna continue anymore because the conditions are pretty bad. right, guys, I made it back. It was a mess. Okay, so I got 37 volts still, which is still, so I got 60% of the battery still. And the trip was like 6.5 miles. So actually the battery performed very well being into all this mud. Okay, so yeah, it was muddy as hell. So, you know, that's going to draw more amperage from the battery, you know. So, yeah, it did pretty good. First trail ride, I got to get home and clean this damn thing off now. So, I actually brought another bike with me in there, but I'm not going to ride that. You know, I'm not going to make another trip in that mud. So, forget that crap. I'm going home and clean up. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later.